Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn on IMO invisible friends. So let's get started. So if you want to turn on invisible friends on IMO, now to do that what you have to do is first open up your IMO application, and after opening up your IMO application, now if you have added a passcode, what you can do is just simply enter it, and from here what you have to do is just simply select a chat. And after selecting a chat, now if you want to hide this chat or just make it invisible, now to do it what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top, and after tapping on that, now just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the gear icon, now you'll find the following options, and you'll find invisible friends inside that. Just simply make sure that it's turned on, and then tap on add invisible friends. After tapping on add invisible friends, just simply select the friends that you would like to add invisible friends to. I've selected one. After selecting it, just tap on done which is on the bottom. And after doing that, now what you have to do is just simply come back. And after coming back to your home page, you will find out that the friend has not been hidden. Now to hide them, what you have to do is just simply shake your device. So what you can do is just simply shake your device, and after shaking your device, here you can see guys, the friend has been successfully hidden. So in this way you can just easily turn on your invisible friends option. Now if you want to unhide those friends, what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on your profile icon, now you will find security and privacy option. Just tap on security and privacy, and inside here you will find invisible friends. So you will find the second option which is invisible friends. Just simply select it, and you will find the friends that you have added and invisible. Now if you want to remove them, then what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon beside that friend, and then tap on remove, and then tap on confirm, and now you have successfully removed that friend from invisible. So that's it guys, this is how to turn on IMO invisible friends. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.